look, they're fogging up this whole place right here, Disney. Look at this, guys. Oh, I miss the snow 4th of July. What the? Imagine being the neighbors right here every day, 9:30 sharp, bro. All the fireworks. Can you handle it?
Nah.
Look at Disney right here. Look at how lit it is right here. This is a good way to come back to the car meets, guys. Look at this. Bangers. Gotta love Disney, guys. They're excited because CDK's back. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the meet right now. It's Friday night. We got people pulling up right now. This is a nice spot, by the way. It's huge. Yeah. Look at what this guy brought me right here. Damn.
For the king right here.
Damn, thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm down to put it off over my hat. How does it look?
It looks good.
Thank you, bro. That boy Phil's got me this crown.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try to keep it in as long as I can, but I'm pretty sure it'll come off when I'm running. Oh, let me see if it stays on when I run. Yeah? I got the chanclas on today too, look. Right, let's go. Yeah. Damn, that's right. Look at the lights right here on this one. Woo. I'm digging that. Nice, nice. We got the biker squad rolling up right now, guys. Hey, look at this, guys. I'm digging the setup, guys. I'm digging the setup. I love how the lights look, guys. Damn, we're about to leave. The cops just pull up. Oh, what the? Yeah. Oh, there, he got the whistle. Hey, what's up? Thanks for the support, bro. That was lit. That was lit. All right, see you on the next spot, bro. Hey, you too, bro. Guys, I brought the chanclas and it's very hard to run right now. I almost tripped 2 times. Chanclas for the win. Yeah. Alright, we're pulling up. Security has some type of. I'm burned out in front of security.
Back again, back in season, boy.
Oh. Pure submission, back again, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got security. We got people swinging. We're trying to go to the next location right now, but it's wild out here, guys. Hey, it's lit out here, bro. It's lit. They're throwing stuff at the cop. This guy's there, guys. People are going wild right now, guys. You good? Hey, what's up? We out here, hella crazy. We got cops coming in from multiple directions, guys. We got 1, 2, 3 cops right now, guys. Oh my god. It's been a minute, but we're back, guys. Hey, that's right. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? We're leaving the mall, guys, and there's a chopper in the sky now. He just got here right now. It's massive packed. All right, guys, so I made it early to the next intersection right here. It's wild right now, guys. It's hella packed. We just left Stonewood Mall. It was covered with cops. How many cops?
Like 5,000. Not that many.
We had the Marines. We had everybody, guys. It was crazy. It's good to be out here. Look at the people. This is how it looks when they barely come, guys. the security as well, guys. Pulling up to the next location, guys. Look at this line. It's ridiculous. I get that you were on break, fool, but get a haircut, fool.
Bro.
Get a haircut. Hey, we got supporters for days right here, guys. We got the whole department out here, guys, right now. I'm running with the chanclas on. Ain't nothing stopping me from getting this footage for you guys. Yeah! We're all the way to the front. There's like at least 10 of them right there right now. Damn. Guys, look how many people are right here right now. Just walking to the mirror right now. We got a nice little Hellcat.